Welcome to today's technology bulletin covering AI security, corporate finance, gaming regulation, and global infrastructure developments. The artificial intelligence data search company Alation officially confirmed that a cyber attack resulted in unauthorized access to its systems. This incident occurred specifically during the Tuesday timeframe when the breach was detected. The organization stated immediately that it is actively investigating the scope and impact of this security failure. Such breaches highlight the growing vulnerabilities in AI-driven data management platforms across the technology sector. US officials have reported that sophisticated hackers are utilizing artificial intelligence to compromise vulnerable water infrastructure. These attackers are specifically targeting internet-connected Siemens controllers deployed in water facilities throughout the United States. The use of AI allows these groups to automate and refine their infiltration methods against critical utilities. This development underscores the expanding threat landscape facing essential public services in America. Roblox has agreed to a court-enforceable child safety undertaking following pressure from Australian regulators. The e-Safety Commissioner successfully utilized its enforcement powers to secure this incremental win for online platform compliance. This agreement supports broader rules including a landmark ban on social media usage for children under the age of 16. It marks a significant step toward ensuring verifiable safety measures are implemented across major gaming platforms. Cloud computing and AI platform Nebius has upsized its debt sale to a total of $5 billion. The Amsterdam-headquartered company intends to issue private convertible notes worth $3 billion maturing in 2030. Additionally, they plan to sell separate notes valued at $2 billion with a maturity date set for 2034. Purchasers may exercise options to buy additional portions of these notes if market conditions warrant it. Reports indicate Samsung Electronics is preparing a massive shareholder return program valued at over $72 billion. The South Korean memory chip manufacturer will hold a board meeting at the end of August to approve this plan. This initiative includes a special dividend designed to reward investors during this economic period. Industry sources suggest the company aims to maximize returns for shareholders facing market volatility. Semiconductor giant SK Hynix has agreed to pay 60% of employee bonuses in company stock under a preliminary deal. The remaining 40% of these bonuses will be distributed in cash to employees. This wage agreement reflects the company's strategy to align executive and staff incentives with long-term shareholder value. Industry observers note this move is common among major chipmakers seeking to retain top talent. Actress Gwyneth Paltrow is allegedly set to host a dinner in honor of OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Her firm Kinship Ventures serves as an investor in the company he leads. This event highlights the continued cultural and financial intersection between Silicon Valley leadership and celebrity influence. It signals ongoing support for AI ventures by high-profile individuals and established investors. Venture capital firm A16Z believes having dual residency provides a distinct advantage for foreign founders. Their Borderless Founder Network initiative specifically supports immigrant and international entrepreneurs entering the market. Having one foot in a home country while maintaining presence in Silicon Valley creates unique opportunities. The firm argues this hybrid background offers strategic benefits that domestic founders may lack. Betting on the Little League World Series has raised concerns among regulators and observers alike. Society has turned off its usual guardrails only to turn them back on again regarding this specific event. The question remains whether current safeguards are sufficient for such high-stakes youth sports wagering. Experts warn that turning society back on again requires careful monitoring of these new gambling trends. Australian studio House released Big Walk following their hit game Untitled Goose Game. Players in this new title simply walk and talk to find joy along the way. The developers described some of the stories heard during creation as punch-in-the-gut beautiful. This shift from chaotic gameplay to exploration-focused design marks a notable change in their portfolio. Subscribe now for the next bulletin covering more technology news and analysis.